This is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. Let me begin by showing you a very cool and, well, just fun camera mode that is somewhat unique to the OnePlus devices and to this Nord phone in particular. It is called the photosphere, and it allows you to take the all-around picture of your room, pretty much a 3D projection of it. So simply follow the circles we see here, here they are. So make sure that this big circle is in the small one, then the picture is going to be taken. Then move your camera around, find new dots like this one to complete your photo even further. At any point you can stop, like I'm here for example. I'll go ahead and save the result, and that's what it will look like. I mean, in my case it looks somewhat off, but that's because I didn't include too much effort into doing that. Just wanted to show you guys. And you can pretty much get a 360 panorama of your room using this very great built-in camera feature. Now, if you would like to get more manual control over the photos you capture, you gotta simply select the camera photo mode. Let's restart the app since it froze, and then press this button here, which will allow you to manually set your focus, shutter speed, as well as ISO value. Or you can reset all options back to the automatic mode. Then moving on, if you'll go into your camera settings, you'll find a bunch of useful options here. For example, you can switch on the HDR plus photos. You can also switch on the top shot feature, which, as you can see, the option which allows you to take live photos pretty much. So if you would like to capture those live motion pictures, you can go ahead and enable it. You can also go into more settings and find even more useful options. So for example, if you'll go into the advanced options, you'll find a bunch of advanced camera customizations that you can play with, such as show dirty lens warning or HDR plus automatic control. You can also switch on the focus tracking feature and a bunch of other enhancements, such as enable time-lapse for astrophotography, bright colors in photos, and Ultra HDR. And well, let's see what other interesting stuff we can find here. As you can see, all those camera modes and options are presented here, and you can adjust them to match your preferences. Anyway, I think I'll finish this video here, so if you have any further questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.